This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have a Google Workspace admin account and a verified domain. This enables business features. Once done, select the appropriate voice edition for billing and feature needs so you don't outgrow limits. Next, reserve new numbers or start the porting process for existing lines. Porting takes time and needs carrier authorization. These first steps set identity, billing, and numbering, so make sure to gather admin credentials and carrier details before moving forward. Now assign numbers to individual users and shared resources so calls reach the right people. Once assignments exist, build auto attendants and ring groups to automate routing and reduce missed calls. This helps scale when traffic spikes. Configure voicemail, transcription, and business hours per user to set expectations and enable searchability. Also integrate with Google Calendar and Meet for consistent presence. These integrations streamline call forwarding and reduce conflicts during meetings. Finish by testing inbound and outbound calls, voicemail delivery, and any ported numbers across devices so you catch issues early. Once validated, enable call logs, audit trails, and configure SIP or gateway settings for legacy PBX integration. These ensure continuity and compliance. If problems occur, check DNS records, SIP credentials, and confirm carrier port authorizations. Misconfigured DNS or missing port approvals are the usual culprits. If needed, escalate to Google Workspace support with logs and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.